What is predictive maintenance? Predictive maintenance, or PDM, is a technique that uses data analysis tools and techniques to detect anomalies in your operation. Predictive maintenance uses historical and real-time data from various parts of your operation to anticipate problems before they happen. Predictive maintenance possible defects in equipment and processes, so you can fix them before they result in failure. Ideally, predictive maintenance allows the maintenance frequency to be as low as possible, to prevent unplanned reactive maintenance, without incurring costs associated with doing too much preventive maintenance.